Hello guys, welcome to Random Flavors. Today's recipe is how to make idli batter and use it in 4 different ways for your breakfast. Now we'll go through the ingredients. For the ingredients, here I have 1 glass of urad dal and 1 3/4 of idli rava. You can even have 2 glasses of idli rava, but I'm using 1 3/4 just to get the idli softer. Now we'll see the method. Use a bowl and add the urad dal to it. After that, add water to it and soak it. Now take the idli rava and put it into another container and add water to it also. You need to soak them for around 5 to 6 hours. It's been around 5 to 6 hours now, and I guess they are soaked well. Now I'm taking the idli rava. Now I have removed the water. I'm just going to remove them and put them into the mixie bowl. Now I'm just going to grind. Do not add water at once, add it gradually. I'm going to just check how the batter is. It's not really done. It should be quite thick, but then it should go for a grind. We just have to add a little bit of water so that we can get it smooth enough, and then we'll just give a little mix. This should actually be the consistency. It looks quite smooth and fluffy. Taking this mix and pouring it into the idli rava which I have soaked before. Mix it thoroughly. Now our idli batter is almost ready, but before that I need to add salt to it. I'm not adding it now just because its sourness will increase day by day. So tomorrow, before making my breakfast, I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. Then I'm gonna make the idlis. And now cover it with the lid and leave it overnight outside. I have left this for overnight and I have shifted a part of it into another bowl so as to add some salt separately. Store this in the fridge. Taking this and I'm adding half spoon of salt to it. I'm not adding the salt to other part. The first variety is idli. Take the idli plates and grease them with oil. Now we'll add the idli batter to it. And I'm just gonna place it into the pressure cooker. Just covering it out with the pressure cooker lid. And I'm putting it on high flame. If you have noticed, I've removed the whistle from it. Now you have to keep it on high flame for around 10 minutes. 10 minutes and I have switched off the flame. Now I'm just gonna check whether my idlis are cooked or not. They look quite well cooked. Now I'm just gonna shift them into the plate. Taken all the idlis and served it into a plate. Now our idlis look quite smooth and spongy and tasty too. Now I'm just ready to have it. You should definitely try it with idli rava this way and then you will like it for sure. Our second variety of breakfast is onion ootappam. Now this is the idli batter. I am adding some salt to it. Here I have taken some green chilies and I've chopped them into tiny pieces. Here I have taken an onion and I've chopped them too. And this is some coriander. I'm adding this all into the idli batter. Now I'm just gonna give a little mix on the stove and put it on high flame. Add 1 spoon of oil. Let the pan to heat. So the pan is heated. I'm just taking 2 spoons of the mix and I'm just spreading it. I'm just gonna add 1 spoon of oil over it. and I will let it heat. It is heating, make sure to keep it on sim mode. Wait it for a while until it gets cooked on one side. Now I'm just gonna give a flip. Put it around for 1 minute. Almost 1 minute, and I'm just gonna shift it onto a plate. Tasty onion uttappam is ready. We'll go through the third variety. Third variety is idli upma, and for that the ingredients are the cooked idlis, some coriander, 1 spoon of chana dal, 1 onion chopped around medium sized, around 6 to 7 pieces of green chilies, and some curry leaves. The idlis and smash them in this way. All on the stove, put it on high flame, add oil to it enough for tempering, let the oil to heat. Heat it, and I'm adding 1 spoon of mustard and 1 spoon of zeera. Some curry leaves, dal, and the mirchis. Just give a slight mix. Now I'll add the onions to it. Now I'll mix it well. I'll take half spoon of turmeric powder and add to it, and again to mix well until it fries well. And I'm adding 1/4 spoon of salt to it because the idli batter already has salt in it. I'm adding the smashed idlis to it. Mix it well. I'm just gonna cover it out with a lid, and I'm gonna place it for around 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll let it to heat. Make sure to keep mixing it in between. It's been 3 minutes, and I'm just gonna garnish it with some coriander. And then our third recipe, that is idli upma, is ready. It's quite healthy and tasty too, and it's easy to make. Our fourth variety is idli manchuria, and for that the ingredients are the cooked idlis, and I've chopped them, some ginger garlic paste, 1 onion chopped. Here I've taken only half capsicum and I've chopped it. Here I'm using some red chili sauce, dark soya sauce, and some tomato ketchup. If you don't like sweetness or tomato ketchup, you can just omit it. Now we'll go through the method. Turn the stove and add some oil in it. Now put it on high flame. We'll let the oil to heat. Oil is heated, and I'm just adding some mustard, some zeera. Now I will add some onion. After that, I'm gonna add the ginger garlic paste. Now I will let the onions to fry. I'll just give it a mix. Onion is getting fried. We'll just add the capsicum to it, and again we'll give a mix. You're frying the components. Fried well, and I'm just adding some of red chili sauce. I'm adding some tomato ketchup to it. I'll add the soya sauce to it. Now I'll just give a little mix. Mix it very well. Now I'll take some salt and add it to it. I'm not adding much salt to it just because the idli batter already has salt in it. Now I'll just add the idlis, the cooked ones. And then again, I'll just stir it well. I've mixed it well, and I'm just gonna fry it this way for 2 minutes. Make sure to keep mixing it while you're heating. It's been 2 minutes, and our idli manchuria is ready, and I'm just gonna serve it onto a plate. Our tasty idli manchuria is ready, and here I have tomato ketchup to go with, just like the ones which you get in restaurants. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to our channel.